morning everyone! Learn Ilocano in the parking lot. And let's have our Ilocano WOTD. Our Ilocano word is Umay. Umay. Also, it is one of the confusing Ilocano words I've written in my previous article. I'm going to put the link under the video's info section. Our Ilocano word is Umay. Umay. One example of using our word is Umay kadtoy. Umay kadtoy. Umay kadtoy. Which means, come here. Come here. In Tagalog, that would be halika dito. Halika dito. For Tagalog or Filipino speakers not hearing the Ilocano pronunciation of the word, it is easy to confuse it to the Filipino word umay, which means getting tired of eating the same food again and again. So let's say you had chicken for lunch and then you ate the same chicken for dinner. You have leftover and then you ate the same thing the following day. So in Tagalog, that would be nakakaumay. Nakakaumay. And our Ilocano word is umay, which means come, to come closer, move closer. And let's have another example before we end the video. For example, someone called you to say, come over here or come here. And you want to say, yes, I'll be on my way now. Yes, one. I'll be on my way now. Umayakon. Umayakon. So, we have our word there, umay, and the Ilocano pronoun ako attached at the end is N for the adverb now or already. Umayakon. In Tagalog, that would be oo. Pupunta na ako. Oo, pupunta na ako. And that would be all for our Ilocano WOTD. Our Ilocano word again is umay. Umay. And for those asking for Ilocano phrases and some other stuff like Ilocano adjectives or forming simple Ilocano sentences, I'm going to put links under videos info section. That's all, guys. Until next time.